Let's take a look at the 3-octave scale and things that we could use, riffs we could glean from that. So here we go, the 3-octave scale in E minor. We're going to start with our bottom string and we're going to do this. And so the purpose of this is to use one finger per note and not slide. It gives you more of a kind of sound. Sliding's fine, but what we're doing, we're looking for more of a legato pass through all of this. So let's go ahead and look at our first one. And we're going to be using fingers 1, 2, and 4, and we're going to be playing frets 2, 3, and 5. So like this. Okay, and then now we're going to go to string 5, and we're going to be playing strings 2, 3, 5, and 7. And so, did you see how I utilize my fingers like that? So that way, no sliding, one, and that one's, I know, a bit of a difficult pass for some, but if you just do this and get your fingers into that finger memory on that one, it'll help you on that. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at those strings 6 and 5 that we just did. There's our first octave. We have an E there, string 5, fret 7. Now we're going to go ahead and go to string 4, and we're going to be playing frets 4, 5, and 7. Like that, just fingers 1, 2, and 4. Now we're going to go to string 3, and we're going to play frets 4, 5, 7, and 9. And that's our second octave right there. So let's look at those first 2 octaves slowly. Okay, so that's our second octave. Now we're going to go from that E, we're going to go now to our second string, 7th fret with our first finger. We're going to play 3 notes here. We're going to play frets 7, 8, and 10. Excuse me. Now we're going to go to string 1, and we're going to play frets number 7, 8, 10, 12, achieving our 3rd octave. So I'm going to play that slowly for you. Okay, faster, like a nice fast legato sense. The 3-octave scale is great because it puts you in different positions. Those of you who know your blues position, I'm running through all 5. So you got one position here, you got one position here, and so on and so forth. And so what I'm doing is I'm kind of running all over those positions. But the beautiful thing is, if let's say you stop in somewhere, you can utilize that particular position that you're at. And if you don't know your positions, we'll be shooting a positions video this shoot. So now look at some of the things you can do with this 3-octave scale. It's really great. Like it sets you up for your arpeggio here. So that's your E minor arpeggio. We'll start on string number 5, fret 7, and then you utilize string finger 2 for the next string, and that's fret 5. So you go, and then your first finger will be string 3, fret 4. Second finger will be string 2, fret 5, and then on string 1 you'll be playing the 3rd fret and the 7th fret. Now I know this is a bit of a stretch for you. For those who maybe can't reach that far, you could just play the 4 notes. So in other words, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, more of a 4 count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. But if you want to throw in the extra note, so you got 2 arpeggio possibilities there. Another fun thing to do with this scale is, since your guitar is naturally in the key of E, if you play all your open strings, the chord would be E minor 7 added 4 would be the key. So therefore, you could utilize all those open strings in a hammer-on situation. So if you were to utilize that 3-octave scale, like for instance these notes right here, you go, you could play your hammer on here. And the same here. And you slide down. So now I did go down here accidentally and play this note. I just wanted to show you here. But you get the idea. If you know your notes in this area, this would be the same as the 5th position blues kind of scale. So you could utilize those. But, so anyway, it's great for doing hammer-ons. So that's another beautiful thing about the 3-octave scale. It gives you a lot of possibilities. You could also, you don't even have to hit here if you want. If you want, you, and then follow it down. So there it is. There's your 3-octave scale and some cool little riffs that go along with it. Now, I recommend playing the 3-octave scale both up in pitch and down in pitch to really get used to it, like this. I would recommend running your scale up in pitch and down in pitch like this. And just keep running that over and over and over again, and you'll become real fluid with it. All right, there you go. There's your 3-octave scale and things you can do with it.